Hi, um, this is me editing, and I would like to casually state, sorry my chair is loud, that most of this video is just me freaking out over the Fireworks Festival, so, honestly, like, just skip forward for half the time because basically nothing interesting happens. Yeah, also, my laugh is really loud in this, so I'd recommend turning your sounds down and just turning captions on because I am really quiet for this entire video and then my laugh is like ear breaking. So yeah, enjoy and please don't sue me if your ears die. Hi, um, I don't I don't know if you can hear my parents in the background. That was just a very loud noise. Anyway, hi. I don't really know what this video is exactly, but there was a new Animal Crossing New Horizons update, and I just wanted to play through it because I haven't played it yet, and I didn't get to do it last week, and it's only every Sunday, and it's a Sunday. So, I figured I'd just play it, and for those of you that don't have Animal Crossing, you can watch. Yeah. Oops. I don't really know what to say, I'm not good at this. But, oh, also, if anything happens, like, if there's bad audio quality or anything, and I, for some reason, don't notice while editing it, please tell me so I can try and get that fixed. Also, if there's any, like, video ideas or anything you come up with, please also tell me, because I need ideas, and it is greatly appreciated. I think it's all we have to say, but yeah, basically the event that I'm trying to go to is the Fireworks Festival event thing. It should happen at 7 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. I think it's past 7. It is 7:03. Also, mind you, I can't hear the in-game music while recording. I just turned it down. I don't know if that did anything. Hopefully it's not super loud. But again, tell me if there are any changes that I should make. Sorry, I'm really excited about this. I don't know if you can tell. You can probably tell. I'm so sorry. I'm sitting at my desk at like 7 o'clock at night talking to myself, so let's just say it's a little bit. Oh, hi Isabel. Yep, welcome to Woolworths. Such a dumb name. Tonight we'll be holding a special festival in the sky. Well, really, Isabel. She looks so cute, the little star things. I forgot what they're called. Raffle, okay, cool. If it's run by Red, which I think it is, that's not great. Yeah, it's fun. Good for Isabel. I like Isabel. Isabel's my favorite. She's awesome. Isabel's very cool. Maybe I should do an Isabel appreciation video. Sorry, I'm gonna laugh a lot during this, because I just think it's kind of, my current situation is kind of weird. Maybe on me, I don't care that I gotta be, that's kind of rude. Thank you, mother. Oh, also, I feel the need to show this off because I found it on Amazon. Yep. Also, my island is really gross because I've never actually bothered to properly decorate it, so just ignore how bad it is. Oh my god, the fireworks is really cool. I didn't have a game last year, so I didn't get to see it. It's cool. I like fireworks. I don't like the noises, but I do really like the lights. So the good thing is I can't actually hear the noises right now, so I don't even have to deal with it. Eyes are. I really couldn't tell. I hope I'm not skipping through this too fast. Again, also tell me if I'm like skipping through words fast. Does that make sense? Oh gosh, I don't know. Wait. Wait, that's actually kind of cute though. I like that. Sorry, Teddy. Yo. I kind of like it. Also, Fireworks are cool. Wait, hold on. I heard that they was having they sold bubble tea, and I need to get that. I read. I'm not your cousin. Stop calling that. You message me. Oh, okay. Red raffle. Sure, I will join your raffle. It's probably a scam. It's red. It's definitely a scam. Every ticket's open. Okay, how do I get a ticket, sir? I don't have any bells on me. I have to get some bells. I feel like I'm talking too much, but then again, I also don't know. So, yeah, again, tell me. Well, pretty. I'm gonna enter in Red's raffle. Hi, Red. Can I, no? Okay. I think I'm good. Okay, I have to go to the table. Okay, 500 ball, yeah. I'll take it. I think this is where you get the bubble tea from, because he said drink. It's probably a scam. Melon. Oh, I forgot they had cotton candy. I forgot about that. Hold on, sorry. Yo, they added a bunch of food items, and that's. I need to start adding this stuff to like random. I want to decorate a house in a good way. Ooh. Ooh. Maybe I'll get a tool on you. Oh. I'll probably drop it. Yeah, I'm just gonna stuff this up. I'll just use the pool money. Yes, we go. And number 11. Ooh, balloons. I hate the balloons because I was run with them and dropped them. But you know what? I'm gonna go again because I need that bubble tea. I'm not stopping until I get that bubble tea. Number 8, blue balloon. Stop giving me balloons and give me some bubble tea, Red. This is a threat. I would love to. Okay, I'm just gonna keep pulling these and literally the second I decided to stop actually focusing on it. Are you kidding? Oh yeah. Okay. The refund if you trip and spell out. Okay. I'm gonna try and not trip and spell out. But now that I've gotten that, let's check my. Oh, okay. Good thing I got. It's so cute. It's a little thing. Oh, considering I'm pretty sure most of you came here to just see what the stuff that you can do on the fireworks thing is. Okay, I don't know when it ends either because it might get cooler. And I don't want to like be ending it. Wait, okay, if you know me in real life, then you know what that is. Or at least the people in my class do. That's George. He looks horrific. Okay, I don't know when the actual stuff that they were talking about is. I'm just gonna Google it real quick. It's from 7 p.m. to midnight. Oh, jeez. That's not good. Be featured in the show, but like, is that just at any time? Or I think it's at any time, and I'll sign in. I think it's at any time. So I guess we'll just like sit here. Hi. Because this is the best view of the sky that I have. You know what would be even cooler if there was shooting stars? That'd be awesome. That would be really cool. I want to see the other stuff that I got though. got the balloons, which I think everyone already knows what that looks like. It's a balloon. Oh! I looked up at such a bad time. It was like disappearing. That was cool. I liked that. I just saw George. Also that cotton candy though. Could we eat it? We can eat it! We can eat it! That is... I am way too excited about that. We can eat it. Let's collect some more raffles and just... We can eat it! Wait, that means we can drink the bubble tea, right? I'm just okay, yellow. Oh, I like yellow. Hold on. I need to... Okay, I hope this doesn't use up the bubble tea because I really like it. But... Can I drink it? Look at my balloon. I got my balloons. Wait, where's my yellow one? Where's my yellow one? Hi, Isabel. I just want to talk to you honestly, because just... Oh, this is so... I love this. I don't know how long I've been filming. How long is it? Oh, okay, I've apparently been filming for 15 minutes. I better edit like a lot of this out because I feel like you don't want to sit here for 50 minutes and listen to me scream. So... Okay. I feel like that's it. Because I just... The main reason that I made this video was just to sort of, you know, ask what video... I'm turning on that switch down because I can see it lighting up. Or, like, ask what videos I should make next and all that jazz. And, yeah, just, if you have ideas, comment it. If you're Leela and you're here to bully me, please don't. Yeah, okay. I will continue to make more Firework Festival videos because this is awesome. Okay, thank you, bye.